Today we'll talk about some things that help attract beneficiaries like birds, frogs, etc. in the garden and fields. One of these is the feeding table. We have bird feed. I've just filled it up because it was a bit empty, and fat balls or grease balls. These are great for birds during winter. They are full of fat, so the birds will fatten up during the cold season. And this is a usual mixture of egg food. Usually it's used great for when there are nests around, and it has a lot of seeds like Niger and etc. Okay, now it's important to have a roof on top of everything. This is plastic. It's held down by 4 balls, and it's stuck to the floor through a stake, and it has a metal base. The stake is great because to the metal base there is around 10 to 15 centimeters distance from here to the center of it, so squirrels and rats cannot jump in. They have to be like Spider-Man to do this miracle jump, so it will be safe from other predators. Even snakes cannot go up this stake, so because it has a long jump. You can put the grease balls in this, and this one, it's a holder, or even pieces of bread in it. I don't use it right now because of the rainy season, and it will go moldy. So it's better, even if it has this roof, it doesn't protect everything. So a roof like this is better. And the next thing closer by is a pond. This is a two-way system. So the pump, this is a pump inside a bottle with surrounded by filter mesh, so the dirt doesn't go in. Here we have a frog. Let me see if the camera focus will get closer. And there was another one beneath my hands, and another one here. Frogs, as you know, are beneficial, and the pump pulls water from this pond, the larger one, up to the next one. So if there are any small particles, it will drop them inside of there. As you can see, the ground is covered in particles, and it's easier to clean. The frogs can come and go as they want, because this is the slow slope. As you saw, the frog was on this side and he jumped inside. I didn't see him. And they also breed. Now these frogs are from last year, the offspring of last year. So they were estivating under the ground, and during the first few rain showers they got out from the capsule they do underground. Usually they lay a bit of eggs around in the pond, and they will hatch in a few days. Here beneath, as you can see, let me see, because of the reflection, there are 2 pots, and these have water lilies inside of them. Right now, because of the cold, they went dormant, and they will sprout as soon as the weather heats up. The pond, this one, the first one, is a bit shallow, so birds can come and have a bath. This one is a bit deeper in the middle. There is around 1 foot depth, but birds still know where to land, so usually they land on this pipe or that one, and they will have a sip around the borders, because it isn't steep around the borders. It has a gentle slope. And also insects, for example wasps. We have a wasp landing here. They come to drink and take the soil, wet the soil, so they can build nests. A lot of insects like dragonflies. Okay, maybe this pond isn't large enough to have breeding dragonflies, but there usually are a bit of dance flies which breed inside of here. Usually you can find them, but as I said, the water is cold, so there aren't a lot. And as you can see, there aren't many mosquitoes. mosquitoes aren't a problem as long as you keep a balance in nature. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any problem, just ask. Please subscribe, and thanks.